How to use exercise to treat erectile dysfunction. If you want to improve erectile dysfunction naturally, exercise can be one of the best solutions. The right exercises help increase blood flow, boost testosterone, reduce stress, and improve erection strength. Start doing these simple exercises daily for better results. Do these exercises regularly and stay patient. Natural improvement takes time, but consistency can help many men regain better strength, stamina, and confidence.